Oh, this is a polar plunge. Well, this is a box, but inside the box is a polar plunge. So let's open this baby up and see what's inside. So I was really impressed to see all the tools that Plunge Chill includes with their ice bath. First thing we got here is a really durable inflatable lid for the tub. Now this was really cool. It's a carrying bag that allows you to easily travel and store the bath as well. Now we got the polar plunge itself, but just be more careful than I was when unclipping it. The green and red ports on the back, they're there so that you can attach a water cooling machine into it. But if you don't have that machine, you could always just use those plugs to drain out the water. Plunge Chill also includes an air pump with every order. That way you can effortlessly inflate the tub and also quickly inflate the cover as well. Truly, the whole thing feels very light and super durable. Cool. Last step is just filling this up with some cold water. I would normally try to fill it up a little bit more, but at this point, I'd say it's good to go. This has to be one of my favorite ice baths I've ever used. Now, I've used a bunch of cold plunges before.
Whoa, cool ice bath.
And I gotta say, this one, super high quality, and this water, very cold. This thing is fantastic if you're someone that's like a biohacker, if you're looking to just improve your physique and your health, or if you do any of the insane things like, you get the cupping going on the back there. Having a cold plunge is super necessary. This will help with bringing down any of that inflammation and speeding up the recovery process. The thing that I really like about this as well is, I'm a tall guy, 6'1". I've got more than enough space for a second person. You want to get in cold water? No? Okay. Just want to point out that if you haven't done like an ice bath situation before, don't go super cold with it. Trust me, I like to have a lot of ice. Don't overdo it. Definitely looking forward to making this part of that morning routine again. Next time I'll add a whole bunch of ice. This thing right here is worth every single penny. If you were to try to get this from any other brand, you're going to be paying 2 to 3 times as much. Plus, when you get this ice bath with the added attachment, it's a machine that makes the water cold. So you don't have to buy a whole bunch of bags of ice. You save a lot of money by getting those two things together as well. So if you want to learn more information, check out their website, Plunge Chill. Check it out. They're fantastic.